You're starting smart with the best conversation in the Valley. CBS 5 Morning News.
Being a little behind the times, it's always nice that Brian Sheely is here to enrich our lives when it comes to the computer world, the phone world, and you know, there are a lot of great phones out there.
Yeah, crazy.
Neat devices that you can get. We're going to start with Samsung.
Absolutely. So Samsung has come out with, or they are announcing in mid-March, they're announcing their Samsung Galaxy S4 phone, which is supposed to be a 5-inch screen. It's supposed to be like the Galaxy S3 right now. They really haven't given a lot of specs about it, but it's supposed to have an 8-core processor in this thing.
Oh, come on.
Crazy, even faster than like a lot of people's home computers.
Yeah.
But this thing is going to be announced in mid-March and probably available somewhere around April timeframe. But it's supposed to be a faster, thinner, lighter version of Samsung's most popular phones. So.
Promos are everywhere for this thing.
Definitely.
And this next one, I always find it weird when people are picking up their devices, especially if they're huge devices and talking on them.
Massive phone. So this is actually the Galaxy Note 8. This is, it's announced recently here. Actually, this thing it's basically a tablet, but they're marketing it in some countries as an actual phone. So you can, it's basically, you know, you hold up this giant 8-inch screen to your head as you talk to somebody on the phone. Massive thing, but it should be pretty cool to be available in the U.S. to rival the iPad mini for sure. A lot of great specs to it, super thin, great battery life. Great option if you're interested in getting a tablet or a phone, I guess.
Hey, you know what they say about a large phone? Come on. All right. LG also getting in on the action.
Absolutely.
And this one's a great camera?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So LG has finally come out with a decent phone, and this is actually supposed to be a really good one. This is the LG Optimus G Pro. Lots of names there.
Come on.
But this is a 5.5-inch screen, and the cool thing about this phone, not only does it run the brand new version of Android's operating system, but it has a 13-megapixel camera on this thing. So great great pictures you can be taking as you're out and about. Really haven't gotten a thorough look into this phone, but it's supposed to be announced and available here shortly. These are definitely some great options to check out if you're in the market for a smartphone. But let's say you don't want to be pulling out your smartphone all the time. Have you heard about Google Glass?
Well, it's the talk of the town.
It is. It's awesome. So basically,
emails, texts, everything.
It's crazy. So you got this heads-up display. It's basically a pair of glasses that you wear, and you have up in the top right-hand corner of the screen. You can see you can interact with Google Glass. So you can tell it to you know, okay, Glass, take a video or take a snapshot, or if you get a text message on your phone, it'll actually display it right there.
Okay.
You can respond to emails. You can check the weather. You can get driving and walking directions right in your heads-up display. So basically, it's a whole way of like not having to pull out your smartphone and interrupt kind of the flow of daily life. Pretty cool. It's going to actually be available this year at the end of the year. So check it out if you're interested in getting.
The video we're looking at is from that headset.
Yes,
right?
this would be like your headset view. So you can even video chat right from this thing, which is pretty cool.
Okay.
So
hopefully you don't fly a plane while using it.
The last thing here is
for your vehicle.
4G internet access for your car.
Yeah.
So GM just announced a partnership with AT&T where they're going to be offering 4G LTE high-speed internet right in your car starting in 2015.
Now, what does that mean for us as a consumer? So
basically, you get in your car, you turn it on, and now your smartphone, your tablet, whatever else you have can all connect to the internet right through your car.
That means my boss can get a hold of me at any time.
Well, yeah, you could probably put some blocks and filters.
You got an email from Troy Conhane, your executive producer. Oh, goodness.
Just block that right out. But it's pretty cool. You'll be able to surf the web and stream radio right from your car without the need to have your smartphone or tablet with you.
All right, we just need you to help us hook all this up.
Well, hopefully it'll be easy to use when they come out with it. But.
All right, Brian Sheely right there. We've got all our information on our website, CBS5AZ.